Hi, this is Christina Liebler, Low Vision Assistive Technology Coordinator for Allied Instructional Services. Today, I'm going to talk to you about something that I've done many, many times before, and that is when I'm in a web browser and I have multiple tabs open and I accidentally close out one that I did not mean to. This is a key command that you can use to restore the tab that was most recently closed out. This will continue to restore tabs. If you hit it multiple times, it's going to restore multiple tabs that you've shut out in the past. So this works in both Edge and Chrome web browsers. It may work in other web browsers as well. I just haven't tried it. However, it is a great resource for Edge and Chrome. So I'm going to navigate over to my browser and I'm going to bring up, let's see here. I'm actually going to bring up this Microsoft Word resource list that I had up on my computer, and I'm going to accidentally on purpose close it out. Okay. No need to panic. I didn't lose it forever because I can hold Control, hold Shift, and hit T. And lo and behold, the document reappears on my computer, which is fantastic. This also works in Edge, and I'm not sure if I have Edge up on my computer, but let's bring it up. Here you go. So I'm actually just going to click on a couple pages that I have already bookmarked in the past. So we're going to do just a couple. Okay, now that they're both up, I'm going to go back to my first one. Hit allow the cookies. I'm going to accidentally click it off. Oops. I'm going to hit Control, Shift, T, and it's going to bring it right back up for me. Okay, I hope that you found this keyboard command to be something that would be useful for you. If you have any suggestions for additional commands or anything that you would like me to demonstrate in a short video, feel free to email me at cliebler@ais-llc.com, and I would be happy to consider it for future videos. Thank you and have a great week.